Hey, what's up guys, TechVid Kid here. Today we are going to be unboxing the wyze home monitoring bundle. So this is a bundle that is powered by a company called Noonlight. The devices are manufactured by wyze. So this includes the main wyze Sense hub. It has an entry sensor. We also get a motion sensor and a keypad to arm the security system. So let's go ahead and get in right after the intro. Okay, so now that we're back from that, let's go ahead and open it up. So, as I mentioned before, it includes the motion sensor, the main wyze Sense hub, an entry sensor. So that basically lets you know, hey, one of your doors have been opened. So if it detects that the door has been opened, then it'll send you a notification in the wyze app. And the wyze motion sensor, basically what it does is if it detects any people or any motion, then it'll send you a notification through the wyze app. And then finally we have a wyze Sense keypad. So that basically is what arms the security system. So you can set a code to enable and disable the security system. So let's go ahead and open it up. So on the box, on the top here, we can see it says wyze. On the side here it says keep tabs on what matters. So here we can see it says App Store and Google Play. Here it says easy setup, one app control, custom notifications, automation mode easy. So basically you can also use it to control other wyze security products that you have, the keypad. It also has a easy setup tool, which is basically just the app. It has everything inside of the wyze app, and you can also get customized notifications. You can customize the notifications. So it has an AI system built into the sensors, and it also has 24/7 professional remote monitoring, which means that you can basically monitor it from your phone wherever you are. And it's also pretty affordable. So the wyze home monitoring bundle costs about $100, so that's the average price. And it's actually pretty affordable for a bundle that includes the Sense hub, the main hub that controls everything, the entryway sensor, the motion sensor, and a keypad to arm the system. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. I've probably said that for the third time now. So here on the bottom, you can see there's two pieces of tape that are holding the box in, but we can go ahead and slide it off here. Yep, there we go, one piece is off. Oh, the other one's being a bit tricky. There. So now, once we've slid it out of the packaging, here we can see the outer layer, and then here we can see the actual box. So on the front of the box here, we can see that it says wyze. Let's go ahead and remove the other piece of tape that's over here. So we'll just use a screwdriver because we do that. No, we don't. We actually use scissors nowadays. Anybody who's new to this channel, there was once a time when we refused to use scissors on this channel. We used gift cards. No, I'm being serious. Go back to one of the old videos from like last year. Also, Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas and New Year with your families. And let's see if 2022 is any better than the last 2 years. Because to be honest, COVID has kind of ruined the last 2 years. So here, if we pull this part up, we can see the inside. So here we see it says wyze hub. So if we lift that up, so that is the main hub. So let's set this here. Okay, so here you can see it says wyze hub, and there's a little pull tab to open the box. Set that aside and check out the rest of the box. So here we can see there is a sticker, wyze 24/7 home monitoring, just so that any people who want to like break into your house to know, cheese, you're on camera and you're going to jail. So yeah, protected by wyze. It's a pretty nice sticker. So here is a user manual that is very long, and which I'm not going to read. Ooh, silica gel. Useful for drying off any wet electronics, even though I don't have any that are water damaged. Or do I? No, that iPhone's been fixed a long time ago. Okay. Here is the wyze motion sensor. So this is the motion sensor that if it detects any movement ahead of it or motion in front of it, then it'll send a notification to your phone. This is the wyze entry sensor. This device right here, basically what it does is if it detects like a door opening, this device right here, what it does is you're supposed to attach it to a door and the frame of the door. So one part of it goes on the frame of a door and the other part of it goes on the actual door itself. So they gave us 2 of these with this bundle, and basically what it does is if the 2 pieces get separated as of when, say, like the door opens, then it'll send a notification to the wyze app so that the owner of the house knows what's happening. That somebody opened the door when they clearly locked the door. What? Oh. Hey. The magnets are interfering with each other. See, look. Wait, oh. Come on, see. Stand there. See, just. Wow. Keep in mind, this isn't even video editing or anything. Here, I'll show you on the better camera as well. See, the magnets are interfering with each other. Okay, we'll set you 2 side by side. Oh, I just realized that's a bad idea. Setting them here because there's a laptop here and that runs off of a hard drive. Oh well, it's not like we even use this laptop that much either way. Well, I mean, I run a Minecraft server off of it. Let's go ahead and get the final piece out, which is our wyze keypad. So this is basically the main part of this, the control hub, if you will. This is what lets you arm the security system, so if something happens, say the doors open or the motion sensors see something, detect motion, while the security system is armed, then it's going to play a noise and notify the homeowners. So, yeah, oh, I just realized what they did here. Wise choice. Ha ha ha. Let's go ahead and place this over here and pull this piece out of here. Oh, okay, these are just mounting screws. Okay, we'll place those back. Now, let's go ahead and unbox the separate pieces of this kit. So we'll go ahead and set the user manual back because I don't need that. And we'll set one of these wyze things here. And then, let's open up the wyze motion sensor first. So, basically open up the box. It's like any other box. Here's the device. Oh. Well, that opened terribly. Yeah, let's try that again. Here is the device. Hopefully this bag doesn't rip while I'm trying to open it again. Okay, there. There, so if we pull this out, there we go. Satisfying peeling time. Okay, now that we've gotten that over with, oh, it looks like this is a bit of a textured peely. Okay. There, you can have that for protecting your lens. No, it's not sticky enough. The stickiness has gone away. So, let's go ahead and set this stuff back here. Here we can see the sensor. So this is the sensor up front here. Then we can see the back here. It says up so that you know which way is facing up on the device. On the side we can see here wyze, and then the button, a button here. And then on the back there's also mounting points for mounting this using screws. So that's that. Now let's check out the wyze entry sensor. So it's pretty much the same unboxing experience as the motion sensor, just that the box is a bit smaller. Okay, so now get that out of the way. Here we can see the wyze sensor. Whoa, wyze sensor. So basically, these two pieces are mounted on a wall. These things magnetically attached, so whenever there's no magnetic connection, it'll alert you. So let's go ahead and place that here. And then the other one you already saw the unboxing. So why isn't this one getting out? There. So now we can just go ahead and like pull this off and open. Oh. Well, great. I guess both of them want to connect, but too bad they're gonna have to not do that. Strong magnet, though. So let's go ahead and close up those two boxes. Next, let's open up the wyze keypad. So basically, we can go ahead, same unboxing experience, but again, this one, it varies in size. That's really the only difference. So we can go ahead and pull that baggie open and slide it out. So here we see the wyze keypad. So it has a few buttons on the front. So here it has the disarm button. Here it has the home button, which means that you are present at home. And then here's the away button, which means I'm not at home, please. And yeah, here we have the 1 through 0 buttons, the X button and the check button. So yeah, now let's go ahead and open the biggest part of it, the most important part that this entire system wouldn't work without, the wyze Sense Hub. And it actually has different packaging. Okay, so here we can see there is a pull tab. Do you want me to pull? Wait. Huh? Am I supposed to pull on this or what? I have no clue, but this packaging really is tough to open. Oh, great. Yeah, I guess. What? Why is it not opening? Do they want me to tear this apart? No, I'm an idiot. It's supposed to open like this. There's more spacing here. There's something else here. Get out. Great, so there's a part of it that does not want to get out, nor does it want to go back inside of the box. So, oh, there. Well, there we go. I got it opened after nearly destroying the packaging. Great. Okay, well, that part of the packaging is damaged forever. Oh well. So, let's open up the biggest box in here. Here is the wyze Sense Hub. So this is the main hub. So this is the main hub that connects all the devices together. Here are the little antennas for the wireless connections. And we can go ahead and set this back in here and slide that back in the box. And then now for the smaller box. Get out! So I finally got it out. So basically what was in there was a brick. Hey, I think I had one of these lying around here just a few minutes ago. Okay, but here is the wyze brick. Here is an Ethernet cable to connect to your router for Wi-Fi access. And here is your power cable. It's very long. I don't know why, but it is. So, that's it for that box. So now we can set that back in the bigger box. And now let's go ahead and set everything back into the main box. All of these mini boxes will go back into their main box. Okay, so now that we have packaged all of these boxes back up into their main box, let's go ahead and put the cover on the box and seal it up until if we ever need to return this. So there we go. This right here is the wyze home security system. So, oh god, great, they're sticking to the computer now. So let's go ahead and get a nice thumbnail shot here. Let's get a nice little thumbnail shot. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing on the wyze home monitoring bundle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe. Bye! Also, make sure to check out my other channel where I collab with my friends, the Meme Bros. We make music, memes, and movies. Oh no, I revealed it!